Thank ya. Yeah. Hmm?
Fish on these water droplets are good.
Hmm. All right. You going up or down? Up. Got some crazy stuff tied on. I'm gonna make it less crazy so that I can actually try and catch some fish. Okay. Colin thinks he better at freshwater fishing than me. Today might be the final thing. If he better at freshwater fishing than me, but I don't think Colin better. He thinks he better at fishing than me now. I don't think he better than me at all though. I think I'm better at all facets of the game. I'd be putting Colin on the fish first of all. I got the Whopper Plopper 120 on, but I'm probably gonna switch to the smaller 90 in a minute. But I start off with a crankbait because you can't really go wrong with a crankbait in this fast water, and it's just gonna cover water and do what it does: shimmy and shake and catch fish. First fish of the day hooked up. Oh, a decent smallmouth. Hey, that's a good one. This is my first smallmouth of 2016. Good old square bill, doing work. That's pretty much what I've been throwing exclusively in freshwater almost. And it's a little fish, probably about what, 10 inches, 11 inches. Let's go see if we can catch his mom. Call your mom. That's a good one. The water's a little stained, but it's not horrible. Sit on the bank. Yeah. Keep working. This one feels really nice. This might be a catfish. This feels like a good one. It's a catfish. No, it's a smallmouth. Woo, this is a nice chunky one too. There we go. Number 2. Nice chunky one. Oh man. I need some pliers maybe. Let's see. Little chunky smallmouth. My second smallmouth for 2016. This one a little bigger than the last. Go ahead and let them go and see if we can get another one. In the Shenandoah, in the South Fork Shenandoah, this is what they got all day. Nice fish, numbers all day. Here, what? A good 15 minutes. I tried one spot back there behind the bridge. I tried, and then we just made our way up the bank. Just working our way up, and we're gonna float back down, but I'm moving slowly. What? I'm moving. Unless you moving. I mean, unless you're moving backwards faster than me. Oh yeah, damn.
We made it about a quarter mile upstream from the launch before we ran into our first set of rapids. The water height was a little deceiving and it turned out to be too shallow to pedal over them. So we decided to just turn around rather than drag through and head back downstream to the deeper pools that we knew about.
That bank looks good right there. Right there. Along there. That's like the next pool. You see all the rocks around it? Chunky rocks?
No, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it.
Especially not with the amount of time that we have.
What you gonna do? Just turn around? Are you using your Mirage driver as an anchor? Now I'm saying be careful going sideways because you're gonna flip. If you hit a rock, you're gonna flip over. Yes. Oh, I threw it right on top of fish right there. On plastic. On plastic. I threw it right in his mouth. Yeah, look, he chopped it right in half. Right on the backside of this riffle. You never feel like you're in the kayak.
Huh?
Or how you feel?
Like it doesn't
Like I threw it right in his mouth. Like as soon as it hit the water, he grabbed it, right? Right on the backside of this. It's deeper, closer to the bank. Oh. That's what I got me an anchor. That's how I was moving too.
like either early in the retrieve or
Well, that's because you throw into the right spots.
exactly.
That's a good thing.
So like when I'm working the crankbait and stuff, that's really cool to get in the middle. The only thing is trawling. I never get hit with the other one.
Sometimes you do.
Yeah.
And it's like it just don't feel like probably it's hard to. Oh, there he is. God, oh, he came off. No, he's still on there. Yeah.
I knew that was gonna work.
Dragging right down where they at. Yeah, it's a little chunky one. A little chunky. Go and get his mom.
Maybe that's their house. Jeez, that's a hard loss. No docks or anything either. Not close. Or maybe right there, I guess. Look at that thing. That pontoon platform.
Confluence of the North Fork and the South Fork of the Shenandoah right now. Ah, yeah, we got the fork. All right, can we catch a fish now? We haven't caught a fish in like an hour. It's 6:30. This creek mouth looks promising. The type of stuff I like to fish. I got me one on top. That's a largemouth. Got him. I finally caught me. It's a largemouth back here on the whopper plopper. Nice little fish. First real fish on the whopper plopper. I've been catching a few in the pond. Yeah. Yeah, let him go back. This is not a huge fish. Still a chunky little bass. In a cool spot though. Back up in this little creek here. This slow moving water. Yeah. Ooh. Missed one just now. Yeah. It was smaller. Yes, it changes from dirty to clean right here.
I like to do this for some reason. Push back. So what I'm going to do is go as far as I can up here. Let's see if there's any. Since you already pulled one out and had a hit. Yeah. Little guy. Very little guy. No. Yeah. Little creek, little guy.
Second whopper plopper fish. A little largemouth. Ow! He's trying to hook me back. Ow, stop. Put your plopper back on. This is my second largemouth for the day. They all been about the same size, huh? They took them all the way. Man, is that a huge pipe right there? What is that? About the same size as the last one. He fat. He been eating too. Yeah. And then he jumped. Then he jumped again. And this ain't nothing special. It's good enough to make some footage for the show though. This will make the show. Even though I missed the initial hit and flourish, but that's number 6. Ain't nothing sizable though. Huh? I can't.